Hi, my name is Sasha Chambers. I am here to play Pac-Man, even though I am failing at it terribly. As much as I want to say that I am absolutely awesome at this game, I have literal proof of that at this point. Pac-Man was originally called Pluck-Man in the 1980s, but they changed it because of the cute characters and the appeal towards the public. So names Code changed it in the 1980s after it was released in Japan. Uh, you don't need to do much to my game stop. I still have another life. Um, Either way, it's still pretty fun. It doesn't matter who plays. It's fun for all ages. It allows the player to interact and have a chance at winning, even though sometimes it doesn't seem very practical. There are many different versions of Pac-Man now. Originally, it had all of this. It had one, and then they went in 1980s, 81. They went to Miss Pac-Man, which I actually didn't know until I did research. Uh, I just find it very interesting that Miss Pac-Man was actually created so early. I thought it was one of their later versions. It actually was one of the uh, first, what is it? First other versions of the game that they created. The purpose of the game is to eat the bullets or the pellets, whichever you want to call them, and the solid glowing and the solid glowing here. You try to eat them, so you can eat the ghosts who are clearly trying to eat you, or at least trying to kill you, which they tend to do fairly successfully if you don't know how to maneuver away from them. I feel at this current moment in time I'm doing pretty good. The main purpose of the game is to avoid the ghosts, or at least strategically try to avoid them in order to level up enough to get away from them and get to the next level like that. Now, next level and the main purpose is to do the same thing. Eat the ghosts or kill the ghosts, earn the points, get to the next level. Guarantee these ghosts don't like to be eaten, so they come back with a vengeance, so be careful. See? Vengeance. A lot of those little dots, little big dots, they are in the this one particularly it just says dots, but in the newer versions they're like fruits or different other things that would be considered a power up for the character. Once the character is powered up, they're able to kill the ghosts, which are so adamant coming for coming for him. But he has zero problem with it. That's what I like about this game. It's super simple, highly entertaining all at the same. Honestly, the only downside that I've ever found to this game is that it I felt like it could have just a bit more adventure to it to allow for uh different end results, I guess. But overall, if I had to choose a traditional computer game to play, this would definitely be it. Like I said, I'm not that good at it, but overall, I'm not horrible at it either, which I find very, very intriguing. Kind of just wish it had just a little bit more mastery, but otherwise, it's really not a bad game. I'm more of a console shooter game type person, but this definitely does clear out boredom, which is definitely something that I can deal with. So, with that death, and that's with this death, I say goodbye, and hopefully you guys can enjoy the game of Pac-Man with more information now. So, happy gaming!